Welcome back to my channel. This is a video tutorial on deploying your React application on Netlify platform. Let's get started. I am creating a React app using my Windows terminal. You can see the process of creating the React app in my previous video. I have uploaded a separate video on creating the React app. We can use both the Windows terminal or VS Code terminal to create and run the commands, but I'm using the Windows terminal now. So I'm opening the code in the VS Code. This package.json file shows the installed dependencies, and using the npm start command we can start the server. This is the default output. I made some changes to the code and let's see the output. This is basically a small task manager without any CSS code. This is what we're going to deploy now. Now run npm run build command in order to create the build folder, which is used to deploy it manually. So build folder is created. Now let's go to the platform and click on add new site and then deploy manually. And now upload the build folder which we have created just now. And after uploading it, just wait for some time in order to get the deployed link. The Netlify will assign some random name to the production link, so we can change the name if we want. I'm changing the name of the website. And this is how we're deploying manually. Now going to deploying continuously, we have to give the access to the GitHub repo. So follow the process which I'm going to do now to give the access. Select the repository you want to deploy and then click on the save button. Now go to the project and scroll down. You'll get the deploy button, click on it and it will be deployed. So the main advantage of continuous deployment is that when we make changes to the GitHub repo and we commit the changes will also be updated, will be replicated in the live demo also. We don't need to check and we don't need to deploy manually every time we make changes. This is the main advantage. Here I have added a paragraph and I'm committing. Making a commit and I'm pushing the code to the GitHub repo. Let's see if the changes are made in the live demo. Let's wait for some time to get the updated changes. Yeah, you can see here the PR is displayed here. So this is how we deploy the React app on Netlify platform. Thank you for watching.